Did you know that over 2.2 billion people globally suffer from vision impairment, and nearly half of these cases could have been prevented? This surprising statistic highlights the importance of eye health and the crucial role of nutrition in maintaining it. Among the myriad of natural remedies, Moringa, often dubbed the miracle tree, stands out as a potent ally for your eyes. Moringa is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that are not only beneficial for overall health, but are also particularly powerful in protecting and enhancing eye health. But how exactly does Moringa contribute to better vision? And what's the best way to consume it for maximum benefits? Stay with us till the end to discover the optimal way to take Moringa for maximum absorption and effectiveness. Number 1. Moringa's nutrient profile and eye health. Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse, particularly when it comes to vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining the health of the cornea, the transparent layer at the front of the eye that focuses light, and preventing conditions like night blindness. Night blindness is an early sign of vitamin A deficiency, which is a common cause of preventable blindness, especially in children in developing countries. The high vitamin A content in Moringa makes it an excellent natural option to support corneal health and overall eye function. But Moringa doesn't stop at vitamin A. It also contains other vision-boosting nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids are found in high concentrations in the retina, where they help filter harmful blue light and protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Regular consumption of Moringa can, therefore, contribute to a reduced risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD, two leading causes of vision loss in older adults. Number 2. Antioxidants and eye protection. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. This imbalance can lead to cellular damage, including in the delicate tissues of the eyes. Age-related eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration are often linked to oxidative stress. Moringa is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, quercetin, and beta-carotene, which neutralize free radicals and protect the eyes from damage. Scientific studies have demonstrated that the antioxidants in Moringa not only reduce oxidative stress, but also improve overall eye health by enhancing blood flow to the eyes and supporting the regeneration of eye cells. This protective effect can help delay the onset of age-related eye diseases and preserve your vision well into your later years. Number 3. Reducing inflammation with Moringa. Inflammation plays a significant role in the development of various eye problems, including uveitis, inflammation of the uvea, the middle layer of the eye, and diabetic retinopathy, a complication of diabetes that affects the eyes. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties are largely due to its high content of isothiocyanates, compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body effectively. In one study, Moringa extract was found to significantly lower inflammatory markers in both animal and human subjects. By reducing inflammation, Moringa can help prevent or manage chronic inflammatory conditions in the eyes, thereby preserving vision and reducing the risk of severe complications. Whether you're dealing with inflammation due to an underlying health condition or simply want to protect your eyes from the effects of aging, Moringa can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. As you explore this content, remember to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey to better eye health can inspire others too. Number 4. Supporting overall eye function. Beyond its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, Moringa supports overall eye function by providing essential nutrients like zinc and omega-3 fatty acids. Zinc is particularly important for eye health because it plays a key role in the formation of visual pigments in the retina, which are necessary for night vision and color differentiation. A deficiency in zinc can lead to impaired vision and increased susceptibility to eye diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids, on the other hand, are vital for maintaining the health of the cell membranes in the eyes. These healthy fats also have anti-inflammatory properties and help protect against dry eyes, a common condition that can lead to discomfort and blurred vision. By incorporating Moringa into your diet, you ensure that your eyes receive these critical nutrients, supporting optimal eye function and long-term vision health. Number 5. Preventing eye conditions linked to high blood sugar. High blood sugar levels, often associated with diabetes, can cause significant damage to the eyes over time, leading to conditions like diabetic retinopathy. Moringa has been shown to have anti-diabetic properties, thanks to its ability to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. By helping to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, Moringa can reduce the risk of diabetes-related eye problems. In particular, studies have found that Moringa leaf extract can lower blood glucose levels and improve lipid profiles in diabetic patients, which in turn reduces the stress on the tiny blood vessels in the eyes. Preventing high blood sugar-related damage is crucial in protecting your vision, especially if you are at risk of or already managing diabetes. The best way to take Moringa for maximum absorption. Now, let's talk about the best way to consume Moringa to maximize its benefits for your eyes. While Moringa can be taken in various forms, powder, capsules, tea, research suggests that consuming it with a healthy fat source, like coconut oil or avocado, enhances the absorption of its fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants. This method ensures that you get the most out of every serving, delivering maximum nutrition to your eyes. Take action for your eye health today. Moringa offers a natural, nutrient-dense solution to support and protect your vision. By integrating it into your daily routine, you take a proactive step toward maintaining your eye health and preventing future issues. Remember, the power to enhance your vision lies in your hands. Start incorporating Moringa into your diet today and see the difference it can make. We encourage you to share your experiences with Moringa in the comments below. How has it impacted your eye health? What tips do you have for others looking to improve their vision naturally? Your feedback could be the key to helping someone else on their journey to better eye health. Until the next one, stay informed, stay active, and most importantly, stay healthy.